One nice little shortcut on Android is the ability to add folders directly to your home screen for quick access. This can be any folder in your file manager, whether it's a shortcut to your downloads, photos, or whatever. To add a folder to your home screen, you'll first go to the file manager. Then I'll find the folder I want to add to my home screen. I'll take my downloads folder, for example, to have a quick way to access my downloads directly from the home screen. I can tap and hold the folder, and then from the three dots on the bottom right corner, I'll choose Add to Home Screen. That's it. Nice and easy. Then on the home screen, I can go and tap, hold, and drag that folder to my preferred position to always have quick access to my downloads. One thing to note is that this is slightly different depending on which tablet you're using. Samsung makes it easy, but on some tablets you'll have a slightly different option called Add to Desktop. And some tablets don't offer this feature at all. If that's the case, you can use Google Drive as an alternative. Just add your files to Google Drive and then add your Google Drive folder to the home screen. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.